Yes, once again, thank you so much for always watching me, for always watching us. My name is Teacher Doreen. Once again, I'm here for a lesson in mathematics, but this time around it is for primary 2. So, here I want all the primary 2s wherever you are to get your book, get your pencil, and there we go. So, today we are going to look at multiplication. We are going to look at multiplication as a repeated addition. I want us to go very, very slowly, because when it comes to multiplication, some people get so confused. But here we are to simplify things for you. So we are going to look at multiplication as a repeated addition. When you continue adding numbers, adding, you end up getting multiplication out of it. It is another method of multiplying numbers. So here are the examples. I want you to look at me. For example, I have a group here. This is my group. It has 2 apples. This is my group. It has 2 apples. So, the apples, it is in a group. The group is 1. But the apples inside are 2. So that one will be times 2. One group times the 2 apples that are there. One group of 2. Here it will give us 2. These 2. One group times 2. Only the 2 that are there. This is example 1. Let us go to example 2 where it has another digit. If I have 2 groups and each group here is 2 plus the 2. These are 2 groups. Are we together? And these are 2 apples inside. Each group has 2 apples. Why have I put the plus sign? As we have said that multiplication is a repeated addition. This is also another method. So, this plus sign shows that when you get these 2 and you add them with these 2, they will give you the answer. But, even if I put a multiplication sign here, let me leave the addition. Even if I put the multiplication sign, 2, these are the 2 groups. Are we together? Times the 2 that are in each. 2 times the 2 that are in each. So, we are going to count what is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are giving us 4 apples. Are we together? Let's look at another group. I have 3 groups here. And each group has 2 apples. Each group has 2 apples. So, this is 2 plus the 2 plus the 2. Meaning there are groups of 2's, and in each group there are 2. Their groups are 3. Sorry. Groups of 3, but in each group there are 2 apples. So, meaning it is 2, it is 3, the 3 groups. You have to start with groups. 3 groups times the 2 apples that are in each. So, what are we going to get? Let us count them all together. Now you count all the apples together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer here is 6. The answer there is 6. Let's look at the fourth example. I have the groups here. How many groups are there? There are 4. 4 groups. And in each group still, there are 2 apples. So, if I have the 4 groups, that means it is going to be 4 times the 2 apples that are in each. Or I can say 2 plus the 2 plus the 2 plus the 2. I will add all those apples and I see if I will get the what? The same answer. So these are the groups of 4 times the 2 apples that are there. How many apples? How many? What is the answer? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Are we together? I hope we are going slowly by slowly, and I hope you're understanding me very well. So this is how we add and end up getting the answers as we need them in multiplication. So this is what we call multiplication as a repeated addition. So we are going to look at now, I want you to do this simple exercise before we proceed. Exercise multiply using repeated addition. Number 1, I want you to multiply 2 times 2, though it's already there. Number 2, I want you to multiply 5 times 2, 7 times 2, 12 times 2, 20 times 2. Just do this simple exercise and then we see what is next. Don't hesitate to be helped by your parent, by your friend, by your auntie at home. We are all there to help and guide you. So let them help you, let them correct you, and let them be of use to you. So do these numbers, give them to help you, give them to mark you, give them to correct you. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being always part of these lessons. We love you, we are praying for you, and we are always with you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.